right, so we went on ahead and put out the nail preparation of how it is. Usually you will have a nail desk that you will be utilizing to do your nail services. So make sure you have a hand or a finger, depends on where you take your test, but we have a hand. Get you a dapping dish. You have nail forms, a file. We have 2 files, and then of course your nail brush. Now, it's best that you go and purchase this kit right here, which you can find at Sally's. I believe it's $30. They will ask you to see your odorless monomer in the beginning. So once you get in and you're setting up your universal kit, they do ask you to show them your odorless monomer up front. So you will have to take it out your kit and show them that it's not open and that it still has that full seal on it. So you do have to show them. So inside your kit, you will have your polymer powder, you have your monomer in there, you have your primer and your dehydrator, which you will be using, as well as it does come with a file, nail tips, and a small brush. Now, the brush that's in here is very small, so of course we utilize our own nail Kolinsky brush that you can purchase yourself if you choose to do so, or you can use the brush in the kit. It's up to you. So when you're doing this nail, we will link other videos for you to reference to, because we're not going to go over the nail setup. However, you're not doing the tips anymore here in Memphis, so you will use a form. You are building your nail from a form. So of course you'll use your form, put it on your nail, and then you will build your extension nail on here. For document purposes, I already had nail colors on here that were built. However, these were built with polygel and not the actual acrylic, but they would look something like this. Now, your proctor, once you get done with your nail, is going to ask you to show them your nail that you created. So you will have to lift up the hand to show them that it is an extension that you created with your acrylic.
Yep. I think the only comment that I will make as far as when you're doing your polymer and monomer, make sure that it is as dry as possible. Once you dip it into your monomer and you're putting it into the polymer, you want it to look as like a snowy paste and as dry as possible. That is the way that it will work. But again, we will link the videos that we reference to in order to achieve it. I was very excited when I got my first nail put on before the testing. So we'll link those videos. It helped us and it'll help you. But this concludes the PSI practical. We thank you guys for watching. And if you guys have any questions, we will link our information and socials below if you are needing any additional help with us, okay?
Okay, so I'm here in Memphis. So, of course, if you need any help in setting up your bags or things of that sort, you're welcome to reach out to me as well and ask about, everything. Of course, we will provide everything from the bags that's included in each bag and how the setup is. However, some people do better hands-on, so we can set up time frames and things of that sort. So you're welcome to reach out to me about that.
Even if you need a Zoom call as well, we'll work all those things out for you. Just hit our socials up below, and we'll reach out to you. So
thanks for watching.
Bye. Y'all have a good day.